Vertex text software review using experience. Vertex is a comprehensive text software solution designed to assist businesses in managing various tax process, including sales and use tax, value-added tax, which is VAT, and also a payroll tax. It offers a suite of tools aimed at automating tax calculation, ensuring compliance, and streamlining report. And here's the key features about this platform, which is tax calculation and automation, integration capabilities, and compliance management with tax contents database. So this platform maintains the extensive tax contents database with over 3 million data driven tax rules, supporting compliance and multiple jurisdiction. And here's the pros and cons about this platform, which is a comprehensive tax management. Users have praised Vertex for its ability to handle complex tax scenario across various jurisdictions, enhancing tax accuracy and consistency. And also, they offer a user-friendly interface. The software intuitive design facilitates ease to use, allowing users to navigate and operate the system effectively, and also a reliable customer support. And here's the downside, which is the premium pricing, integration challenges, and performance issues. A few users have experienced system glitch or slowdown, particularly when using specific web browser like Firefox. And here the overall conclusion: Vertex stands out as a robust tax software solution suitable for businesses seeking to automate and streamline their tax processes. Its comprehensive features coupled with a reliable customer support make it a valuable tool for managing complex tax obligations. However, potential users should consider the pricing structure and ensure compatibility with their existing system to maximize the software's benefit.